Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I want to show you a messy bun because my buns are always neat or mostly used to it from ballet dancing. So I had already a ponytail done. I'm splitting this ponytail into two portions, one on the top, one down, and then I'm taking a scrunchie. Ideally it fits my shirt, so giving it a twist around the base of the two loops, then pulling and tugging a bit to make it wider. You can do and go as messy as you wish. I'm not used to messy, so I was trying that. And now I have one ponytail on the top, one down, and I'm taking little portions, strands from this, twisting them a bit, and then tugging the end of each strand into my scrunchie. So just give it a twist. There is no need to hide completely the scrunchie. That's why I like to match the color with my cloth. So go around the base of the bun that is held by your scrunchie. Tuck it under there where the strands are longer. I just leave them out and grab them together with the next strand. Just try what works best for you. The idea is to hide not even all the ends because this is a messy bun, so just go messy. Do it as good as you can. This was very messy. You see that I fixed that later. Now I'm going to the top. From the right hand side, I start to twist and tuck in, and there where the strands are longer, I go once from the top and then bringing the ends under from the downside. Go around the base, stick the hair inside to hide it, and make sure that on both sides you have more or less equal quantity of hair. Now I'm trying to grab the ends that I don't want to have all loose. So bring them together, twist them a bit, and tuck them under. The good thing on this style, or way to make a messy bun, is that you do not need bobby pins if you don't want to. I sometimes use some just to make sure nothing gets loosened up during the day. And this is messy. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Hope to see you back in our next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.